Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to enable fingerprint lock on WhatsApp. Maybe you want to add an extra layer of security to your WhatsApp account and protect your conversations from unauthorized access. So today I'm going to show you how to enable fingerprint lock on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, tap on this three dots icon on the top right corner of the screen. From this menu, tap on Settings. In the Settings page, tap on Privacy. Here, scroll up and tap on this Fingerprint Lock option. Now, to enable Fingerprint Lock, simply toggle on the switch next to this option. You will be prompted to confirm your fingerprint or set up fingerprint authentication if you haven't done it on your device. Here, you can customize additional options such as automatic lock duration and whether to show content and notifications. After that, you now have successfully enabled fingerprint lock on WhatsApp. Now, whenever you open WhatsApp, you will be prompted to authenticate using your registered fingerprint. This ensures that only you can access your WhatsApp account and conversations. There you go. If you wanted to know how to enable fingerprint lock on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to enable fingerprint lock on WhatsApp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.